All right, this is gonna be the elevator at 518 North Tampa Street in downtown Tampa. Look at this, we have another Florida elevator from either the 40s or 50s.
The button works.
The in-use light does, yeah. And you have your original drop key. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Here's a cab view. Wow, this thing's an antique. Looks like there's your ADA compliant phone, but the cab's too small to be ADA height. Let's go to 3. Here we go. £1,500 capacity. And it's still being inspected, yet this elevator's at least 60 years old. Oh, this is like a store. Here's me in the mirror. Hi. Wow. This is epic. One more. All right. Look at these buttons. Yep, it's still inspected. Again, what a beauty. I thank you so much, Gabe, for finding this. There's a view of the other side of the cab, and we'll get off here. And that's your button. Wow, this is epic. Wow. Let me just watch it shut. Oh, it just stays open. But there it goes. And that's gonna be it.